All right, welcome to 4.1 day 2. We're basically be doing the same thing as yesterday, except for today we're going to fill out the table and then we're going to graph our points. So basically the same steps. We're going to substitute a value for x, then we're going to solve for y. Keep doing that until we fill out the table, and then we're going to graph our points. So that's the only new thing today. Oops. Okay, here we go. So it says the entrance fee for Mountain World theme park is $20. Visitors purchase an additional $2 tickets for rides, games, and food. The equation y equals 2x plus 20 gives the total cost y to the visit of the park, including purchasing x tickets. So there's our equation. We got to fill all these out. So if you don't buy any tickets, it still costs you $20 to get in. Then how much is it for if you buy 2 tickets? So 2 times 2 plus 20. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 20 is 24. Okay, next one. 2 times how many? 4 plus 20. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 20 is 28. Then we have 2 times 6 plus 20 gets us 12 plus 20, which is 32. And last one, we have 2 times 8 plus 20. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 20 is 36. And we are done. You might have noticed it was going up by 4 each time. You didn't understand. We just put these in the calculator. You could do, it's 2 times 2 plus 20. Type that in the calculator and you'll get your answers. Okay? Next, we got to graph these. So how you graph these is you start at 0, 0. Oops. Oh. Okay, I don't know if that paused. I just closed out my screen. So, anywho. Okay, we start at 0, 0, and we're going to graph these. So first we have to graph the x's. The x's go first. Then we're going to graph the y's. Now, not all at one time, though. So, this is an ordered pair. 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 Ordered pairs go x, comma, y. And we have to do x first, then y. So x for the first one is 0. 0 tells me to stay, so I'm not going to move. Y is 20, tells me to go up, so I'm going to go up to 20. And these go by, looks like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 28, 36. They go by 4s. So I'm going to go up to 20, put a dot. That's 0, 20. Next is 2 and 24. 2 tells me to go right 2. And then 24 tells me to go up to 24, make a dot. Okay, next one is 4, 28. So I'm going to go over to 4, up to 28, done. Then I have 6 and 32, so I'm going to go over to 6, up to 32, make a dot. Lastly, I got 8 and 36, so I'm going to go all the way over to 8, and then all the way up to 36, and I put a dot. And we're done. And the last thing, you got to connect your dots. Now, when I say connect your dots, I don't mean do this. I need the line to go all the way through. We are big 8th graders. You make lines. We like to make lines that go on forever. So this shows us that it keeps going. If you stop at the line, that's called a line segment, and we don't want line segments. Let's do another one. Okay, we got negative 2x plus 1. So it's super easy. Shove these in the calculator. Let's get the calculator. Okay, negative. Now, there's no negative sign on Desmos. You have to do minus. Minus 2. Same thing as negative 2. Times what? Times negative 1. And then we're going to do plus 1. So times minus 1 plus 1 gets us 3. So let's write that answer in. So we got 3. Now we're going to swap that negative 1 out for 0. So, not delete. Move over. Delete that and put in a 0. We get 1. And then instead of 1, now we're going to take out the 0 and put 1. Gives us negative 1. And 2. Go over to 2. Boom. Negative 3. Look at that. Look how fast that was. Negative 3. Okay, now we got to graph this. So you start at 0, 0, right in the middle. This first ordered pair says negative 1 on the x. Does that tell me go left, right, or stay? Negative 1 tells me to go left, so I'm going to go left 1. Then I'm going to go 3 positive on the y. Does that tell me to go up, down, or stay? Up. So I'm going to go up to 3, put a dot. Okay. Next I got 0, 1. 0 for the x tells me to stay, and then 1 tells me to go up. So I'm going to go up 1. I'm going to erase this dot so you don't get confused. Okay, now I got positive 1 on the x. Does that tell me to go left, right, or stay? Tells me to go right 1, and negative 1 tells me to go up or down or stay. Down 1. You see a pattern in the dots yet? Okay, now we got 2, negative 3, so I'm going to go 2, and negative 3. Put a dot. Then connect your dots by going all the way through them and drawing arrows. And you're done. Let me know if you have any questions.